Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elyse, and today we're talking all about this beautiful holiday glam makeup look. Let's get right into it. Okay, welcome back. So what we're working on today is I'm going to show you how to do a really quick and easy classic red lip makeup tutorial, makeup look that you can do in a rush, because I know so many people that don't have the time to sit in front of their mirror for the 2 hours that it takes to do a full glam face. So I'm going to show you eyes and I'm going to show you lips. I've already done my face. If you want to see what I've done on my face, go check out my glowy hydrated drugstore makeup tutorial. I think that's what it's called. I'll link it somewhere. And that's what I'm wearing on my face. So we'll skip over that whole step, and I do actually have some mascara on as well, so we'll skip over that too. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use the same products that I used in my glowy hydrated drugstore makeup routine on my eyes, so that we cut out as much product as possible, so that this is a quick and easy makeup tutorial. It's actually a quick and easy makeup tutorial. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with the eyes. You're going to need 2 products for this. Yes, 2 products. You can use more if you want. I will show you how to use more, but the base of these eyes are going to be just 2 products. Keeping it really simple. Remember, this is a quick and easy makeup tutorial. Alright, so we're going to be starting off with our bronzer that we used on our face. We're going to be using this in the crease of our eyes. So you can actually, let me just push these out of the way here. You can actually use this all over your eyelid if you wanted to keep it even simpler and not use anything else, but I'm going to show you how to amp it up a little bit more. So we're going to start with a fluffy brush, and you're just going to buff it into your crease. Just like that. And because we're doing a red lip, you don't want to go overboard on your eyes, because then it's going to end up looking disconnected. It's going to look too much. And then taking that same color and the same brush, you're going to be putting it under your lower lash line. Okay, now you can stop there if you want. We're going to go a step further. You're going to take your highlighter and your finger, and you're going to tap your finger into your highlighter, and then you're going to press it onto your eyelid. So we're getting a really nice sheen. It matches the colors that you've got on the rest of your face, so you don't have to worry about it not matching and looking disconnected. That is the base of our eye look. I'm going to show you how to amp it up a little bit more, but this, you can stop here. This will go perfectly with a red lip. It's an easy one to throw on, especially if you've got kids or you're busy or you're crunched on time and you're running out the door and you only got 10 minutes to do it. I'm going to show you how to amp it up a little bit more. Taking a dark brown shadow, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This one is my go-to so far. And you're going to buff that into your crease. Now, taking the first blending brush that you use to apply your bronzer in your crease, you're just going to smoke that out and blend it out a little bit more. Whatever's left over on that brush that you used for the dark brown shadow, just take it and you're going to smudge it on your lower lash line. Extra, just whatever's left over on the brush. Okay, now we're going to apply a black liner. I like to use a black shadow. You can use a liner, or you can use a pencil or a liner, but I really like to use a black shadow when I'm doing my makeup. I find it's a little bit softer on me, so I'm going to apply that on my lash line. And that's it. So I'm going to hop off camera. I'm going to apply some fake lashes because I love a good fake lash with red lips, and then we'll be back to finish up the lips. So as that glue dries, we're now going to move on to the lips. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Outlaw. This is my all-time favorite red lipstick ever. It doesn't move, it's easy to apply, it looks great on all skin tones, so this for sure is a go-to for me. So I've just lined my lips with a natural lip liner, and then we're going to take your red lipstick and apply that. Alright, and that's the finished look. So, super simple, really easy to do. This is a great look if you just need to get out the door really fast, you've got somewhere to go, you want to feel a little more glammed up. Doesn't matter what the occasion is, there's always a time for a red lip. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting so many new videos all the time now. I'm trying to get out as many videos as I possibly can. And like and comment, share, all the things, you know the drill. If you want to find more of me, you can find me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here for you. And that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!